Hey YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions. I should be calling you guys missionaries, monthly missionaries. Hey, my missionaries and stuff. YouTube world, we'll figure something out anyways. I'm at the West Edmonton Mall and I'm just at a water park. Just thought I'd show this water park. It looks like it's shut down for the night, but I thought I'd show it anyway. Water park in a mall, imagine that. But yeah, it's all pretty dark in there, nothing going on, nobody out there. There's a bar there I've sat at a couple times and had some $10 beers. Big wave pool. There's a skyline, a zip line up above. There's a simulated beach there where all the lawn chairs are sitting on. They pull those back and that's a beach. The water comes right up to it. Simulated beach. Let's find out how much. So obviously they're closed right now, but I don't know what this screen means. But anyways, yeah, they're kind of expensive. Especially at $10 beers. But at one Airbnb, the landlord paid for me to come spend the day here. So I had a few $10 beers. It was okay. But yeah. Anyways, that's about all I can show you here. Oh, the antique photo parlor. What? Oh, that's cool. Oh, I'm definitely keeping them in mind. This is very cool. Boy, I love your stuff. I will definitely be back to this place. So I try not to get you on film. So I'm kind of filming the Edmonton Mall for people who haven't been here before. I've been to the pirate ship, the water. What was the other one I went to? Oh, the skating rink. I've been to the skating rink. Where else do you suggest?
Have you gone upstairs and filmed the water park looking down through there as well?
No, I haven't.
I would try that. They also have the VR place on the second floor over there.
Okay.
The other place that's big and scenic is there's the TNT supermarket that has both that outside scenic area.
Okay.
Also, there's a bunch of cool food and a food court and stuff in there. There's a place that'll make you a shaved ice and stuff.
Excellent, thank you. I never even thought about going upstairs, but
Yeah.
I can head up there.
Go upstairs. They're probably all decorated for the year of the horse up there.
Okay. With the Japanese or the Chinese holiday.
Yeah.
The Chinese New Year.
Yeah, not just China, but yes, the Lunar New Year.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course.
Full-size pirate ship in a mall. You'll have to check out my other video for a more descriptive tour of it. Love that bridge setup though. And Sport Check across the way. They're huge in Canada, huge. Just a little store that you can, or a big store that you can go in and buy sports equipment, sports stuff. Everybody's closing shop. I want to see what all we can look down onto. I was pretty sure there was mini golf that you can look down onto, but I don't see it yet. Look at the vault doors on this. Like 3 inches thick for Tiffany's. That's a big name too. Okay, that looks down onto Boston Pizza. Marble slab, ice cream. Well, that's Bourbon Street, yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. And this looks down onto the skating rink. Earlier, they were cleaning it. Now, there's an actual hockey game going on. Full-size hockey rink in a mall. On that note, friends, I'm going to end it here. Everybody's shutting things down. I'm going to try to find an exit at this place, try to get an Uber, get back to my Airbnb. But yeah, West Edmonton Mall. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys already haven't. Thanks very much for everybody's support. And hit that thumbs up if you don't mind. It all helps. Thanks very much, you guys. Take care.